नमस्कार. आज आपण एक गणिताचा व्हिडिओ करू. ॲडिशन ऑफ फ्रॅक्शन्स. 1 प्लस 1/2 प्लस 1/6 प्लस 1/12 प्लस 1/20 प्लस 1/30 is equal to what? So this is the question. And today I am showing you the trick of this question. So this 1 can be written as 1/1. Now if you observe these denominators carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 denominators are here. You can write them as 1 upon okay, let us keep this one integer aside and let us do the remaining things. 1 upon 1 into 2, then 1 upon 2 into 3, then 1 upon 3 into 4, then 1 upon 4 into 5, and 1 upon 5 into 6. So this 2 is written as 1 into 2, this 6 is written as 2 into 3, this 12 is written as 3 into 4, this 20 is written as 4 into 5, and this 30 is written as 5 into 6. Now here we have one observation. If you have, say, 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus k, then how will you do this subtraction? This 1 into n plus k becomes n plus k, minus this 1 into n becomes n upon product of these two, n into n plus k. So that eventually becomes, this n gets cancelled, and that eventually becomes k over n into n plus k. So this is a wonderful observation that helps you to solve such sums. So if this observation is taken into account, then this whole thing, this 1 into 2, difference is 1, n into n plus 1. So this can be written as 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. Then this 2 into 3, 1 upon 2 into 3 is written as 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Then 1 upon 3 into 4 is written as 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Then 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5 for this one. And finally plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6. And if you observe this minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 get cancelled. We have 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 by 6. So that is 6 into 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 by 6, or you can also write as 1 integer 5 by 6. So easily we could do this sum only because of one single observation. What is that? 1 upon n bracket n plus k is equal to k upon k upon n is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n plus k. With this single observation, using this single observation, we could do this sum, and in this sum this k is 1. So consider of an arithmetic progression. You can do such things with arithmetic progressions and get wonderful results. So how to set these sums for others, that is also a very important thing to understand. A student, if knows how to set the sums for others, he can easily solve hard sums which are set for him. So consider this 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. So what is this? This is an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. So if you want to add these reciprocals of this, sorry, I'm not doing it like this. I will successively multiply pairs, and so this is the difference is 3. So I will do 3 upon 2 into 5 10 plus 3 upon 40 plus 3 upon 88 plus 3 upon 154 plus 3 upon 238, that is 14 by 17, plus 3 upon 340. Now the question is equal to what? A person, if he or she doesn't know the trick, then he will be confused how to solve this. These are all very big denominators, and how to go ahead. He will be totally at a fix. But those who know this trick can analyze this sum, and they will be able to solve it. So here we write this is equal to 3 upon 2 into 5 plus 3 upon 5 into 8 plus 3 upon 8 into 11 plus 3 upon 11 into 14 plus 3 upon 14 into 17 plus 3 upon 17 into 20. Remember, right now we only have made this sum, so we know that this can be factorized. But suppose somebody else makes this sum and gives us for solving, then also it is not very difficult job. You can do it by practice. So here k is 3, n into n plus k, and this is k. So we can write it as 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. See, this 5 under 5 minus 2 under 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, that is numerator, and 2 into 5 is denominator. So plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11 minus 1 upon 14 plus 1 upon 14 minus 1 upon 17 plus 1 upon 17 minus 1 upon 20. So finally, after cancellation of opposite numbers, we get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 20. So 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 20. So 20 minus 2 is 18. So 18 upon 2 into 20. So we can reduce it 2 under 2 to 9 by 18. And so the answer is 9 by 20. A very simple answer. So for cracking competitive exams, one should know numerous tricks like this, and this is one of them. This you can teach to class 6 also, because they know how to subtract or how to add fractions, and they also know how to factorize natural numbers. So make your students more fit by giving them such tricks and making them practice over them. Best wishes.